Right, this is Novotonton Shop Eye Channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns North, Pyramid North. My brother, how are you?
I'm good, and you, sir?
I'm good, thank you. How do you feel about the game of today?
No, the game was good. What I saw is that last time I did comment about Sundowns being a little bit slow.
Yes.
I think what we need to change is more of attacking. Because if we play with a team that build up, like have a block,
Yeah.
so we don't have a chances to penetrate. So what I think is that we need to change that kind of a play and get the likes of Mkulisi and Maema to
Even
do
Serino
something,
to come in
and
also,
Serino.
yeah.
Because I saw Costa, the Brazilian, was playing very well. But the only problem is that when they pass him a ball, he's always facing the opposite direction.
Yes.
So for him to turn, they always put a
Also-
pressure.
yeah.
Yeah, so what I think is that maybe going forward, we just need to get people who can play ball. You saw when the Master Chef came in.
Yeah.
Yeah, we started to see a few touches here with Sereno.
Exactly.
It's exactly what we need.
But 10 minutes is not enough for
It's
him.
not enough.
Yeah.
And I can assure you, even if we can sacrifice the likes of Shalulile if things are not coming right, you know,
Yeah.
just to sacrifice him, just to get people who can just do many touches, few quick touches.
Because Shalulile is a finisher.
He's a finisher.
Yeah.
So sometimes when you expect him to be skillful, sometimes it's a bit difficult.
Exactly,
Yeah, but otherwise, overall, the game was very good. I'm not worried about the draw.
Yeah.
I was always checking the log. The log's still good for us.
Yeah, it's number one.
Everyone is on 4 points.
Yeah.
So that means it's sort of like a reset.
It's a draw
It's a
anyway.
draw.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
we're going back now. Every team from Mazembe and the other one in Pyramids, we need to make sure that we win the next game.
Exactly.
And I'm definitely sure that Sundowns away, we are going to win.
It,
I just heard the previous guy who was here from Pirates.
Yeah.
I'm happy he's from Pirates, but I can assure you, talking about Sundowns, you need to be careful. Yeah, because when you put the hopes that we're starting to go down, we lose, we draw, we will show you in the next game we're gonna bring up the A game.
That's why I was telling him, Guti, you know, when you're saying they are going down a little bit, but they are winning.
Yes,
I mean, it doesn't make sense.
Definitely.
As long as you, because now you only won 3 points. Guti, how did you win it? Most of the time we don't care.
Yes, it's not a knockout at the moment. We're still on the league format.
Yes.
But I can assure you that this build-up is going to be good for us. We're playing on Wednesday.
Yeah.
We're going to pick up the momentum, but I'm also worried about Cape Town Spurs because you still remember they destroyed the Pirates. We thought Pirates is just going to go.
Yeah.
But I can assure you they're going to be difficult. But we're going to use them as a practice for us to go to Egypt.
Yeah, but I don't think they will be that difficult because of now they have a new coach. And, you know, I thought before that, you know, they were supposed to have kept their technical director because of he's the one who beat Pirates and he's the one who came with changes.
Yes.
But they brought Middendorp and they started afresh now.
They started afresh, but probably we're expecting a different game.
Yeah.
But I'm definitely sure that we're going to approach it with caution and make sure that whatever we do in the field of play, we deliver very good content and we make sure that we rebuild Sundowns that we know. And if we win the game on Wednesday, then that will be a very good build-up for us. When you go to Egypt, then that will be a motivation. And if we win, I can assure you, Champions League, man, we used to the knockout. I'm not saying we are going to win.
Those are your things,
Yes. We're just going to get to the knockout, but be careful, we may bring it back.
No, thank you very much, my brother. And who was the man of the match today?
I saw the likes of Allende having a couple of touches.
Yeah.
And up to so far, Allende,
No.
Yeah, I think the next game we need to bring the likes of Kotze if he's.
Oh yes, if he's fine. Because the injuries are not killing him.
Yes, probably if Kotze can come back, man, he can give us something.
Yeah,
he's very accurate.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Ngobo. See you in the next game. I'll be here on Wednesday.
Togetherness, I'll be here also on Wednesday.
Yes.
Each other, so.
Thank you, sir.